Now we will perform an unboxing of the Channel Master Coax Plus cable and tool bag system. This is how it shows up in the mail. It'll come wrapped in plastic to keep it looking shiny. What's great about this cable and tool bag system is that it's refillable. The first time you purchase it, it comes preloaded with either white or black coaxial cable, RG6. It comes pre-installed inside the bag with a Channel Master compression connector connected at the end. Inside the zipper pocket, you'll find the shoulder strap. Right? And of course, the shoulder strap can be adjusted to your needs. It comes with a ton of pockets. Got one pocket here. Now this pocket would be good for, let's say, your measuring tape or some electrical tape. Back here you got pockets for your compression tool, stripper tool, maybe wire cutter. All your tools can fit in here. Very convenient. Rotate it again. On this side, you've got another big pocket. In this pocket, you've got little loops. Great for, say, longer wrenches. Keep them from moving around. And then here, this pocket, great for putting connectors in. Another great feature is what's on the bottom here. You see, this material here keeps the bag from slipping and moving around. So when you have your bag on the ground, it doesn't move very much. So you can yank the cable out. We will now walk through the process for replacing your 500-foot coil of coaxial cable. Each 500-foot coil comes wrapped with 2 layers of plastic protecting it from dust and dirt while shipping or in storage. We first need to remove the outer plastic so the coil can be placed into a reusable plastic cable reel. To do this, identify the bottom of your black or white coil. It is marked with the sticker B. Carefully using a pair of scissors, cut from the center outward, being careful not to damage the coaxial jacket. Cut enough plastic to allow peeling back of the outer layer. Using the larger end of the cable spool, insert the center of the spool into the hole where you remove the outer plastic. Note, you may have to delicately move the inner end of the coax to be flush with the rest of the inner coil to accommodate fitting the spool into the coil as shown. Once you have inserted the cable spool into your coil, flip it over again, remove the outer plastic layer to allow the coaxial spool cap end to snap together, mating it to the inner spool. Now you can load the completed spool into the square frame attached to your Coax Plus cable and tool bag. Be sure to have the coil inserted so that the wire aligns and will pull through the wire slot built into the cable bag as shown. Last step before using and pulling the wire is to remove the inner plastic wrap that was left on the coaxial cable itself. Once removed, you can now pull the wire from the bag. This completes the replacement and loading of a new Coax Plus coil.